Hey guys, welcome back to Grace Tom LI. So today we got the kids in their art center spot. Grace is already painting. And these are the dab and dot markers. Great for kids. What color is that? Purple, very good. And what you got there? Whoa, so Jax just love to like grab them and just walk around. Alright. And this is pretty cool, guys. Wow, awesome! Do you want to use some different colors? Like we have orange, yellow, brown, purple, blue. Wow, lots of different colors. Wow. And these are washables. But those on the wall right there are not washables. And this we have green, blue, brown, purple, and orange. Wow. Lots of super awesome colors. And then they have their little mini basket. They could just toss their stuff in there when they're finished. And some storage stuff on the side with their paintbrush and all that. So this is another great thing you guys could do when you're home right now with the kids. Give them some painting, drawing. Kids love painting, craft, drawing, any fun stuff like that, any activity like that. Keep them busy for a while, but just keep an eye, or they could be doing stuff like this all over. Which we normally have Clorox wipes, or, well, not anymore, we have baby wipes now. Are you having fun? Gracie, are you having fun? Grace! Now she's ignoring me. Hey, you! Jax, are you having fun? Let's try Jax. Nope. So basically, that's when you know your kids are having a blast and they're having an amazing time. They don't even hear you're talking. That's pretty cool. Get those kids coloring, drawing, anything with craft, painting, or dot. Alright guys, so hopefully you guys like this little video of Jax and Grace doing some dot painting. And are we gonna color this truck? Whoa! Alright guys, can you guys say goodbye at least? See you next time on Grace Time! Alright guys. Alright, let's go dot. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching Grace Time LI. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Also click in the description box below, guys. You can check out other videos. I'm gonna leave the link for our previous videos and more awesome learning videos from Grace Time LI.